cookie I could. And I told y'all I was turned around and I'm thinking, wanna keep it. Girl, you wanna keep it. Yeah, yeah.
Share with you tonight. She shared herself with all of you, her voice, as an author, as a singer, as an actress, a powerhouse, a woman with a very big heart, who I've grown to love, who's made space for myself and other vocalists. And tonight, when she gets on this stage, I've seen Newark show out, but tonight, I need y'all to give her the loudest, warmest love, because that's how much she means to R&B. The legend, the icon, that is Miss Patti LaBelle.
Rowland. Thank you for this is about you. This is about you. This is your I do more than you ever know. God bless you all. You can appreciate it. Tell you we love you. We do. Tell you we love you. We do. It's for sure. You can always count on my love forevermore. I love you, Kelly Rowland. Good night, everybody. Oh no! Yeah.
We love you.
Thank you so much,
No,
Kelly.
you're too big. We're not gonna make you carry this thing.
Give it up to Patti.